A motorcycle is a very versatile method of transport that can be used for commuting to work, leisure activities, or even competitions. They can be used on roads, off-road, and everything in between. There are around 200 million motorcycles in the world, varying in shapes and sizes. The history of the motorcycle dates back to the 19th century, where basic internal combustion engineering and very few horsepowers paved the way for today's onslaught of technology and monolithic power figures. In this tutorial, we will show you how to ride a motorcycle safely and also explain what not to do. But let us start with protective gear. One shouldn't feel the need to be a bellend who wears flip-flops and shorts, although a helmet is the bare minimum. Sturdy footwear, protective gloves, pantaloons, and a jacket should also be considered. It is also advisable to wear high-vis clothing to ensure one is visible to other road users. And now you are ready to rip.
Sponsored by Alpaca Portaloos.
The throttle, aka gas, twist grip, or noise tube is your friend, but can also be the enemy. Although modern motorcycles with lashings of horsepower can be elementary in their function, it is extremely important to use the throttle in a sensible manner. When pulling away from a stationary position, gently ease the throttle back, and, should you be riding a motorcycle with a manual transmission, carefully release the clutch lever until the vehicle begins to move forwards. What not to do? Twisting the noise tube with violence and overexertion can result in losing control of the motorcycle. This can lead to accidental, yet illegal maneuvers such as wheelies, or even worse, spinning the rear wheel causing smoke from the rear tyre, which could hamper other vehicles' vision. The brakes, aka the anchors, are used to reduce speed and act as a vital safety element of a motorcycle. The front brake is usually found on the right side next to the throttle. A normal size lever is acceptable, although stubby levers are surefire wanker klaxons, and the owners of these motorcycles should be strictly avoided, like those with the COVID. Upon closing the motorcycle's throttle, one should then gradually apply pressure to the front brake lever to commence slowing the vehicle. This could be for a number of reasons: approaching a corner or junction, stopping for a red light, or avoiding a third party, such as a child or an errant cyclist. In certain situations, it is also advisable to utilize the rear brake, usually found on the right-hand side next to the foot peg. What not to do? Aggressive use of the front brake can result in the rear wheel leaving the ground and the motorcycle becoming unstable, while simply stamping on the rear brake will almost certainly lead to a skid or laying a thick darkie. Cornering. When cornering a motorcycle, one must do so with extreme caution. This is the area where most accidents occur. Approach the bend without loading the front end too much, and ideally all of your braking should be done in a straight line to avoid a nasty. One's body positions should remain neutral in the middle of the bike. What not to do? Hanging off like an ape or A-framing is frowned upon and should never be attempted. Some lunatics even scrape their knees on the tarmac in a vain attempt to replicate heroes. But this leaves unwanted plastic on the road, which is bad for the environment. If you were to take a motorcycle off-road, it is best to do so on the correct steed with suitable tyres fitted. Always inspect the terrain ahead, but please do enjoy Mother Nature. What not to do? Taking a super hyper sports bike off-road with racing rubber dressed in one-piece racing leathers might scare horses, ramblers and squirrels. We hope you have enjoyed this little tutorial on how to ride a motorcycle.